Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable Google AI assisted search from the Google Search Lab. Once you're logged in and you can see this icon here for Search Labs, let's click on that. And at this time, Search Labs may not be available to everyone. It is only available to certain regions like the United States. And again, you must be logged in to see this. And we have a couple of features you can see here for generative AI search, code tips, and add to sheets. So for today, I want to enable the generative AI and agree. So now let's try an example. How to host your first dinner party, and you get the AI assisted search. AI write you the results or your answer, and here you can see the suggestions, and you can also ask a follow-up and chat with the AI, or you can click here for some recommended follow-ups. So let's see, what time should a dinner party start? And here it is like ChatGPT. You can chat with it. Here's the original question, and here's the follow-up, what time to start. Here's the answer. And you can continue to talk to this by simply just going here, ask a follow-up question. So I typed in what are some easy meals that everyone would like at dinner party, and here you can see the answer. You will see that the results are actually updated with new and relevant information, so these are not outdated information and content. So that's something that ChatGPT cannot do unless you use some of the plugins. So this is a lot faster, and there doesn't seem to be any limits to how much or how many questions you can ask. So far this is a very powerful AI chat from Google. You can also ask this to write articles as well. So this is a major AI competitor with ChatGPT, and I'll be making more tutorials, tips, and review videos on AI and for marketers and webmasters. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for viewing.